To my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel and I love to create and experiment, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a highlight of how Slave Festival went. So if you don't know exactly what I'm talking about, then you're missing a lot. So sometime last year I also did a review about Slave Festival in this video right here. So if you've not seen this video right here, please do check it out. It was a review of how Slave Festival went last year. So Slave Festival is an event that is organized by She Leads Africa, and She Leads Africa is a community of African women coming together to collaborate and also inspire other women in terms of business, in terms of career growth, and all other things like that. Like, you get all the juicy stuff. So Slave Festival is just a time for ladies to just come together, communicate, collaborate, meet new people, meet friends, and have fun. So it was a really interesting time this year, and I'm going to be showing you a highlight of how everything went. So let's get right to the video. Alright guys, guess who I met? So when you see people comment all the time on your videos and you now miss them in person, thank you. Guys, we're having so much fun at the Slave Festival this year. Hey guys, so we finally come to the end of Slave Festival 2019 and it is 8:24 and we're about to leave the event. So I've literally been everywhere all day. Guys, see my makeup. It's all gone. but I had so much fun today, and I'm going to show you the gist of how everything went. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Subscribe button is somewhere down here. Also, do not forget to leave a comment, and if you attended the Slave Festival, let's vibe together in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace.